In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom icons to your product page in Shopify. Custom icons can enhance the visual appeal of your online store, potentially leading to better customer engagement and conversions. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to access your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Online Store. This will take you to a page where you can see all your current themes. Now find the theme you're actively using. Next to it, you'll notice a button with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that, then choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens, so don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Now that we have access to the themes code, we need to upload your custom icon images. These images should be in either PNG or SVG format for the best results. On the left sidebar, scroll down until you find the Assets folder. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the assets currently used in your theme. To add your new icons, look for a button that says Add a new asset. Clicking it will bring up a prompt where you can upload your images. Select the files you want to use, and once they're uploaded, they'll be available for you to incorporate into your product pages. With your icons uploaded, the next step is to insert them into your product pages. This typically involves editing the liquid files in your theme. Depending on where you want your icons to appear, whether it's next to the product title, price, or description, you'll need to find the corresponding liquid file. Usually these are found in the sections or snippets folders. Open the file, and you'll be able to add your icon's file path into the HTML code at the desired location. Remember to save your changes each time you edit a file. It's crucial to preview your changes to ensure everything looks as expected. You can do this by clicking Preview in the top right corner of the theme editor. Check that your icons appear where you want them and that they maintain their quality. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust the code as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom icons to your Shopify product page. This small customization can make a big difference in how customers interact with your products, potentially improving their shopping experience and increasing sales. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. See you in the next video.